How to disable hands-free telephony for all devices in Windows. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today in this video, we will be guiding you simply in order to do so. So let's just get started. For that, you can just head over to your Windows screen, look out for search in services.msc and run it as administrator. And this opens up on your screen. Now from here, you may locate up the option of this one right here, Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service. Right click on it, look out for stop option, click on it, confirm it. After that is done, right click on it again, look out for properties this time. And once you head over to properties, select the startup type, drop it down and select the option disable. Click on apply and click on OK and close this up. Doing that will prevent the service automatically from doing when you boot your computer. Or you may follow up another method also, which is individual. So for that, you need to head over to settings. And once your settings opens up, head over to Bluetooth and devices, and you may locate up the Bluetooth devices. Head over to devices option and locate up the Bluetooth device and manually enable or disable the option for that. Or you may scroll down from the given options, look for more devices and print the settings, locate up a device, Bluetooth device that is connected. Double click on it and look out for services option, and from there also you can turn off that option or disable the option that you're looking for. So these are the methods you can apply in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.